discussing burnout and compassion fatigue. This is an event you don't want to miss. We're going to be talking about some primary burnout triggers. We're going to be discussing things such as the emotional impact of burnout. We're going to be talking about physical signs and symptoms of burnout and compassion fatigue. Listen. We're going to also be providing you with some practical strategies. So you want to make sure that you tune in for this live webinar tomorrow night, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. You don't want to miss this. So reserve your spot today. The link will be in the comment section. I will see you on tomorrow night between the hours of 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. Reserve your spot today.